Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for a social media templates business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. Okay, now as you see you can start with Hash AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. You have just to answer the questions that's gonna ask you, and you can easily and quickly build and customize your site. And also you can set up without AI. You can go to basic setup. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. You can enter your business type. Okay, now you can select your business type. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, enter your website name. If you wanna add something to your website. Now let's continue to dashboard. Now let's go to design the site. So how do you like to design websites? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So for me, I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. Okay, now as you see, you can enter your information, your website name, your email, your address, your phone, and also you can add a social link. Now as you see, you can pick a theme you like. Pick a theme match your business, so you can try your best to choose the right theme that's gonna match your business. So the simple details like the themes and like the colors is more important to make your site look structured and pull more customers to your website. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Now if you want to add page to your site, you can skip all this and you can customize them later. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, you don't have to change everything here. You have just to do quick edits. Okay. Here if you want to add elements, you can add sections, you can manage your page and menus. Also you can design the site, you can add apps, you can manage your business, manage media. So for example, if you want to add elements, you can start from here. You can customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Also if you want to upload or import emails, you can explore emails free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. Now let's move on to the button. So here you can customize the theme button, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the payment buttons. And here we have decorative. You can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows or horizontal lines or vertical lines. Here if you want to add a section, for example, you can just select the type of the section. You can select the style, your favorite layout design, and you can put it on your editor page. So now let's move on to the next step. So here you can customize your site design. You can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background or the page transitions. So that's it. Now let's move on to the first section. So you can do a quick edit. For example, if you want to change or edit the site name or manage the menu. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, This is the welcome section. The same thing, you can change the section background, this strip background. You can change also this image right here. You can change the title, the button. For example, if you want to change the title, just click on it, create AI text. Now you can describe what you want in your text. You can just uh, select the section, you can make it shorter. Okay, you can generate another one if you don't like it. Now let's move on to the next section. So this is the features section, as you see here. So for example, if you want to change the color in the background, okay. Also, if you want to change the text or edit the fonts, just click on it and you can select the style, and also you can select your favorite font. Also, if you wanna change the image, you can search whatever you like. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so as you see here, if you wanna edit this image, you can click on it. So as you see here, this is the settings. You can change the settings right here. You can manage it. You can use this editing tools. This one, the enchants. Also, if you want to add an element, you can add text or decorative or overlay. For example, you can add the basic shapes or icons or vector art. Okay, so that's it. After you're done, you can just save it like this, and it's gonna save for you. Okay, so that's it. This is the last section, the future section. So you can just add your email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, you can save it from here and you can publish it after you're done. So if you want to publish your website, you can just click here. You can start selling and you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.